What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit or delete estimates in Wave. Now if you need to modify or remove an estimate, Wave makes it easy, and here's how to do it. First you got to do is to go to the estimate page that's in the sales section. Then you're going to find the estimate that you want to edit or delete and then click it to open. And then you get to edit the estimates. All you got to do is simply make changes to fields. That's the items field, the customer details field, the pricing fields, and whatever other fields that you want to edit. So go ahead and go there and make changes as needed. And then if you need to delete the estimate, you can just click the more button that's in the top right corner and just select delete. Confirm the deletion and the estimate will be permanently removed from your account. Remember, deleting an estimate is permanent, so ensure that it is no longer needed before taking that step. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.